Alright, in this video, I'm going to show an example how to move or master database file from one location to another. So this is the Microsoft documentation, and then all the examples, syntax is for the Windows version. I think it should be good as Linux version as well. All right, let's get started. So here's my system. So and what I'm going to do is first let's see what is running for my system. So my logon user is MS SQL, that is the the owner of SQL Server. So if I do a grep MS SQL Server, nothing's running. So let's start it. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Let's do a status first. So if we see if I'm okay, it's running. So let's grab this one. So we should see two processes running under this. It's SQL Server. Okay, you see this is the two processes running here, SQL Server, and one, the parents PID is one, another, it's spawned from this process. So now I'm going to stop this process. So before I stop it, let's do a query. So I'm going to connect to the database. So I'm doing to CMD. So I give the password here. Okay, so let's cut and paste the query. Let's see, select, yeah, this is the query. Let me cut and paste. So I'm gonna run it. All right. So see, this is the database file, master.mdf and masterlog.ldf. Okay. So now we can actually just physically go there to see. You see, this is all the database file. Okay. So to prepare, let's see. I have a folder. It's called SS masters. So I already created it there. There's nothing there. So it should be owned by the MS SQL user. So so what I'm going to move to this location for the demo purpose. Let me just remove it first. Okay, let's just remove this SS. Whatever directory you define, right? So now I recreate it, So same thing. Okay, I recreate it. Now I'm going to stop this SQL Server. I use the system control to stop this server. You don't have to use sudo if you are the MS SQL user. So after this start, we're going to move this file and this log file, both of them, to the new location. So I'm going to do a move master MDF and master log LDF to where? To SS directory we just created. So okay, so it's there, so you can see that, right? So if you see, this is the two file. So in order to start the SQL server, you can't use the sys sys CTL because we are not in the default location. So let's go to the document. So basically, you have to specify this -D option and the -E option. Okay, so you have to use the to run it explicitly. So what I'm going to do is, so let me just recall the command I have previously, -D. Okay, so this is the command to run. You see, this is the executables, SQL Server executables, -D, it is the data file, -L is the log file. Okay, so we're going to start this way. So I'm going to hit enter. So SQL Server is going to start it. You will see all the, it is, I put it in the foreground, so you will see what is started. Is everything started nice? And let me put this to the background around. So I went to background around. So let's do a PS. You see, we also have two processes. The only difference here now we have options. You have to explicit where the data file and the log file. All right, so now let's do a connection. So I'm going to do a connection. Connect it. Okay. Let's use this SQL query again to see the location. You see, now it's changed to here. Okay. So now I'm gonna quit this session. I'm gonna move back. So just for demo purpose. So now I'm going to stop. I can't stop because now it is, I can't stop. I can use put back to the foreground and do a Control C. So now it is, if I do a PS, there's no process anymore. So it's stopped. So now I'm going to move back. What's my directory? I'm in the default location. So I'm going to move this SS masters. So this file to here. I'm going to move another one here. Okay. So this is all the files here. Now I'm going to use the standard way to start. You can start like this way. You can also use the one we started early. This one. You see, by specify the path. If like because it's default, we don't need to specify -D -L. Like you can start it this way as well. So okay, let's try this way as well. Okay, so we start it. You will see started successfully. Okay, let me Control C, shut down. So let me start it as the standard way. Okay, start SQL Server. Okay. So once started, you can query the status. Let me just use this one. Status. See, this is it is active running, and this is the tube process. Associated from the process PID. All right, so that's all for this demo. I'm gonna pause here.